Welcome back. Let us continue. Cube root of 5 is a surd of the order. Okay. So nth root of A is a surd of order n. Therefore, in this case, the order is 3. Option D. Next question. This is another simplification problem. 81 power 4 divided by 9 power 5. 81 power 4 divided by 9 power 5. 81 can be written as 9 square. 9 square raised to power 4 divided by 9 power 5. So this is equal to 9 power 8 by 9 power 5, which again is 9 power 8 minus 5, that is 3. So this will be equal to 81 into 9, which is 972. So answer is 729, option C. Next question. Among the given numbers, which one is the greatest? So all the numbers are given in terms of decimals or fractions. Let us try to find out the value of all the numbers. 0.2 square, this is the first one. This is equal to 0.04. This is clear. Next. Second one is 1 by 100. This is equal to 0.01. Third one, 0.01 raised to power 1 by 2. So this is nothing but 1 by 100 raised to power 1 by 2. This is nothing but square root of 1 by 100. This is 1 by 10. Again this is equal to 0.1. Next, 0.008 power 1 by 3. We know that 8 is equal to 2 cube. Therefore, 0.008 is equal to 0.2 cube. So this will be equal to 0.2 power 3, the whole raised to 1 by 3. So this will get cancelled. This will be finally 0.2. So if you see, the last one is the highest among all the 4. So the answer is option A, 0.008 raised to power 1 by 3. Okay. Next question. This is another simplification problem. We have to solve this given expression. Okay. We have to start from the innermost region, that is square root of 2 power 6. Okay. So the given expression can be written as cube root of 2 power 4 into square root of 2 power minus 5. This can be written as square root of 2 power 6 is nothing but 2 power 3. So this is again cube root of 2 power 4 into square root of 2 power minus 2. Okay. So this is again cube root of 2 power 4. This root of 2 power minus 2 can be written as 2 power minus 2 raised to power 1 by 2. So this is nothing but 2 power minus 1. Okay. So this is written as 2 power minus 1. This is again cube root of 2 power 4 minus 1 is 3. So finally this will be 2. The answer is option B, 2. Next question. Simplified form of the given expression is, okay. Here we have to solve the outermost bracket at first. That is minus 5 by 3 raised to power 5. This will be equal to minus 25 by 3. Now we shall rewrite the expression. Fifth root of x power minus 3 by 5 raised to power minus 25 by 3. Okay. We know that nth root of any number a is equal to a power 1 by 1. Similarly, fifth root of x is equal to x power 1 by 5. So we shall rewrite this fifth root like x power 1 by 5. Therefore, the given number is x power minus 3 by 5 raised to power 1 by 5, the whole raised to power minus 25 by 3. So this is equal to x power minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 5. This is x power minus 3 by 25, the whole raised to 25 by 3 minus. So this will be equal to x power minus 3 by 25 into 25 by 3 minus. So this will get cancelled. The answer is X, option B. We will finish the remaining problems in next lecture. Thank you.